Good morning, student. Now, today we are going to start with 12th lesson of 11th, that is photosynthesis. It is one of the most important lesson as per NEET is concerned. Now, you all know the meaning of photosynthesis. When we split the term, photo means light and synthesis means to prepare. It means that synthesis of something, that is food molecule, in presence of light or by using the light, that we call it as a photosynthesis. Now it is said that all life on earth is bottled solar energy. It means that all life on earth directly or indirectly depends on a source of energy which is related with that of plant. That is plant food molecule. Okay. So the plant prepare food molecule by utilizing solar energy, and all other heterotrophic organism or all other biotic organism directly or indirectly depend on that energy. And that's why it is said that all life on earth is bottled solar energy. Okay. Now, this photosynthesis process is a gift of nature to the plant, because this process is only carried out by the plant. No other organism on the earth is capable of trapping the solar energy. So the solar energy is the ultimate source of energy to planet Earth. There is no other source of energy. And on Earth, the plant is only capable to trap this solar energy. That we call it as radiant energy, and convert this radiant energy into chemical form of energy or chemical energy. It is stored in a food molecule. It is in a form of chemical bond. Okay. Now, it is the most important mechanism on earth. The life exists on earth. It is only due to the process of photosynthesis which is carried out by the plant. Okay. Then, the total percentage or the photosynthesis process which is carried out on earth, about 80% of total photosynthesis is carried out by ocean algae, then 10% by freshwater plant, and remaining 10% is by terrestrial plant. जी ही पूर्ण फोटोसिंथेसिसची प्रोसेस पृथ्वीवरती होते, आउट ऑफ दॅट 80% is carried out by the ocean algae. So the fixation of carbon dioxide is carried out by ocean plant, maximum carried out by ocean plant. Now more than 170 billion tons of dry matter which is produced annually. Dry matter means ज्याला आपण solid source म्हणू. So it is a dry matter produced by annually by green plant, and carbon dioxide fixed annually is about 7.0 into 10 raised to 13 kg. Now it is a endothermic process, anabolic process. Anabolic means it is a constructive process. It is an endothermic process. Endothermic means during this reaction the energy is trapped or energy is conserved. Okay, so it is a making process, so we call it as anabolic process. It is an endergonic process or endothermic process. Energy is stored. It is in a chemical bond. Chemical bondच्या रूपामध्ये एनर्जी स्टोअर केली जाते. Now the reaction of photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12 H2O in the presence of light and chlorophyll, it will give rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2 get liberated. This is the equation of photosynthesis. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide is utilized, 12 molecules of water is utilized. In presence of light and chlorophyll, it will give rise to carbohydrate molecule plus 6 molecules of water, and oxygen is released as a byproduct. Now, is this a balanced reaction? Listen here. Here, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide is utilized. Then, oxygen 12 molecules from carbon dioxide plus 12 molecules which is present in water molecule, and hydrogen which is utilized is a 24. Alright. Now, is this a balanced equation? We compare this. Here 6 carbon molecule 6, hydrogen molecule 12 plus 12, and oxygen 6 plus 12. Now, here 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. Oxygen 12 plus 12, 24 oxygen. Here 12 plus 12, 24. Here 6 plus 12, again 12. 6 कार्बोहायड्रेट मधले प्लस 12 water मधले, and oxygen is 6 molecules of oxygen is liberated. Now, hydrogen 24 molecule, ऑक्सिजनचं समजलं ना, 6 साइन दोन्ही 12 मॉलिक्यूल इकडे आहेत आणि हे 12 मॉलिक्यूल, 12 दोन्ही 24. इथे पहा, आता इथे कोणकोणचे आहेत पहा, 6 मॉलिक्यूल्स हे, 6 मॉलिक्यूल्स हे झाले 12, 6 प्लस 6 प्लस 6 प्लस 12, 12 दोन्ही 24. ओके, आपण मगाशी दोन्ही सोबत लिहिले होते. सो ऑक्सिजन 24, हायड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल 24, 12 molecules, हा इथचा 12, इथचा 12. So here carbon, hydrogen and oxygen which is utilized, and here by utilizing this we obtain the product like carbohydrate, water and oxygen. Oxygen is liberated as the byproduct. Now there is no other reaction on a globe who is responsible to liberate oxygen in such a tremendous amount. So plant is the need of, it is for food molecule and it is for oxygen. We need the plant. पण आपण आज काय पाहतोय, the number of forests get depleted. So there is a need to conserve the plant, need to plant trees on earth and to increase the number of area under forest. This is the need of today. Now, the different scientists which are involved in a search of photosynthesis, they are listed below. First is Van Helmont. Now he come to the conclusion that all food of plant derived from water, not from soil. So according to Van Helmont, he conclude that soil do not play any role to make the food molecule. Now we come to know that the minerals which are obtained, they are utilized to make the food molecule. But this is the preliminary discovery. ये सब प्रिलिमिनरी डिस्कवरी है. हर साइंटिस्ट ने जो उन्होंने सोचा वो एक कंक्लूड किया है, दिया है. So he is of opinion that all food of plant derived from water. Water is the main source and soil plays no role in making food molecule. Second scientist Stephen Hawks, plant obtained a part of their nutrition from air. Light may play a role in this process. So he is of opinion that plant obtain part of nutrition from air, some from water, some from air, and here light may also play. It is not confirmed by this scientist or up to this that is light is the main key role to make the food molecule. Now the third, Joseph Priestley, he demonstrated that a green plant purify foul air by this is the well-known experiment, that is candle which was placed along with that of mint plant. Now this mint plant remove carbon dioxide which was kept in a ग्लास क्लोज बर्निंगमध्ये ठेवलं आणि कॅन्डल जी बर्न होते त्याच्यापासून जो कार्बन डायऑक्साईड तयार होईल, दिस कार्बन डायऑक्साईड इज ॲब्सॉर्ब बाय द मिंट प्लांट. सो he was opinion that green plant purify foul air. He demonstrated this with experiment of mint plant. Then John Ingenhousz, purification of air was done by green part of plant, and that too in the presence of light. So after Joseph Priestley discovery, the second opinion is by this John Ingenhousz, that is purification of air was done by green part of the plant, and that too in the presence of light. So here this is the direct this is the direct marking toward the process of photosynthesis. Now Gene Sandberg, plant absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. The rate of absorption of carbon dioxide is equal to that of rate of oxygen which was released. Then Nicholas de Saussure, importance of water in a process of photosynthesis. He marked out the importance of water. Now he was also opinion that carbon dioxide which is utilized, the amount of carbon dioxide which is utilized is equal to the amount of oxygen which was released during the process of photosynthesis. And Julius Robert Mayer, radiant energy is converted to chemical energy by the plant. The light consists of radiant energy, and this radiant energy is converted to chemical energy by the plant, that is Julius Robert Mayer. Then Julius von Sachs, first visible product of photosynthesis is starch. Starch is the first visible product. आता उसळ खाल्ली ना आपण, उसळ खाल्ली त्याच्यानंतर पोटॅटो उपास होता, रताळ, हे सगळे काय प्रॉडक्ट आहे? दे आर रिच सोर्स ऑफ स्टार्च, अँड स्टार्च इज नॉट इझी फॉर डायजेशन. इट इज हेवी फॉर डायजेशन, अँड वी कन्झ्युम लॉट ऑफ स्टार्च ड्युरिंग फास्ट. देन Van Sachs is of opinion that first visible product of photosynthesis is starch. Then Melvin Kelvin find out the states which are involved during the carbon dioxide fixation. He trace out the different products which are formed during the process of photosynthesis or during the process of C3 pathway to form a glucose molecule or food molecule. Okay, then here Melvin Kelvin C3 pathway. Then this reaction 6CO2 plus 12H2O in presence of light and chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2 get liberated. This, the definition of photosynthesis is, आता ह्याच्यावरून आपल्याला डेफिनेशन लिहायचे. काय डेफिनेशन आहे? फोटोसिंथसिस इज anabolic endergonic process in which complex organic food molecule is prepared by using simple substance like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light and chlorophyll, and during this process oxygen is liberated as a byproduct. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is anabolic. Anabolic means constructive. So it is an anabolic endergonic process in which complex organic food molecule is prepared by using the simple substance like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light and chlorophyll with the liberation of oxygen, that we call it as a process of photosynthesis. Now by this process, the organisms which are found on earth are broadly classified as autotrophic organism and heterotrophic organism. Autotrophs means what? The organism which prepare their own food molecule, that we call it as autotrophs, and the organism which do not able to synthesize their own food molecule and depend on the plant food molecule directly or plant source directly or indirectly, that we call it as a heterotrophs. Now photosynthetic autotrophs, again photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs means by utilization of solar energy, and chemoautotrophs means by utilizing the energy which is liberated during chemical reaction or by breakdown of complex molecule. The energy which is liberated is utilized to make the food molecule, that we call it as a chemoautotrophs. बरोबर. सो या प्रोसेसच्या बेसवर पृथ्वीवरती जेवढे ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहेत त्याला आपण ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाय करतो, ॲटोट्रॉप्स आणि हेट्रोट्रॉप्स. ॲटोट्रॉप्स म्हणजे जे स्वतःचं अन्न स्वतः तयार करतील ते ॲटोट्रॉप्स. जे डायरेक्टली किंवा इनडायरेक्टली प्लांट फूडवरती डिपेंड राहतील ते हेट्रोट्रॉप्स. मग परत त्याच्यामध्ये आपण बायफर्केशन करतो, फोटो ॲटोट्रॉप्स, केमो ॲटोट्रॉप्स. फोटो ॲटोट्रॉप्स मीन्स बाय युझिंग द सोलार एनर्जी, फोटो ॲटोट्रॉप्स. केमो ॲटोट्रॉप्स मीन्स बाय युटिलायझिंग द एनर्जी विच इज लिबरेटेड ड्युरिंग केमिकल रिॲक्शन. समजा एखादा कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल ब्रेकडाऊन होतो आहे आणि त्या कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूलचं ब्रेकडाऊन झाल्यानंतर जी एनर्जी लिबरेट होईल ती एनर्जी जर वापरून food molecule तयार झाला, that is chemoautotrophs. Now here the photosynthesis reaction is carried out in a green plant, and especially in a green part of the plant body, and that green part of the plant body is nothing but a leaf, and within the leaf there is a mesophyll cell, and within the mesophyll cell there is a chloroplast, which is a site for the process of photosynthesis. Now this reaction we call it as a redox reaction. या रिॲक्शनला आपण रेडॉक्स रिॲक्शन म्हणतो. रेडॉक्स रिॲक्शन काय? रेडॉक्स रिॲक्शन इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ रिडक्शन अँड ऑक्सिडेशन. मग ह्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये रिडक्शनही होतं, ऑक्सिडेशनही होतं. नाव ड्युरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथसिस, reduction of atmospheric carbon dioxide is carried out, and atmospheric carbon dioxide is gradually reduced to carbohydrate molecule by stepwise manner. बरोबर आहे ना? इथे कार्बन डायऑक्साईडचं ग्रॅज्युअल रिडक्शन होईल, आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईडचं रिडक्शन कशात होईल? कार्बोहायड्रेट मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये. आणि ऑक्सिडेशन कोणाचं होईल? Oxidation of water molecule is carried out, and by the oxidation of water molecule oxygen is liberated as a byproduct. And that's why it is the most important reaction, because this reaction is the only reaction to convert solar energy. It was from abiotic world to the biotic world. So the energy which is present in a abiotic world is brought to the biotic world by this reaction. And secondly, it is because the oxygen is liberated as a byproduct, and this oxygen is utilized for respiration process. ओके, इथपर्यंत समजलं. आणि इथे आपण थांबू. हा महत्त्वाचा लेसन आहे आणि तुम्हाला नीटला हा डेफिनेटली ह्याच्यावरती प्रश्न राहतात, त्याच्यामुळे हा समजून घ्यायचा चांगला. ओके, ठीक आहे, थँक्यू.